Twintech honesty you can feel when you invite a heating and cooling company into your home. You want more than just technical skill. You want honesty. That's why homeowners across the Durham region turn to Twintech Heating Cooling, a family-run company built on integrity, trust, and genuine care. Built on transparency, not sales tactics. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we believe honesty is the foundation of great service. From the moment we step through your door, our focus is on helping you make informed decisions, not selling you something you don't need. Our certified HVAC technicians will walk you through every recommendation, explain your options clearly, and provide upfront, honest pricing before any work begins. No hidden fees, no surprises, just straightforward service you can depend on. The Twintech promise: real solutions, not shortcuts. When your home's comfort system isn't working properly, quick fixes can cause bigger problems down the road. That's why Twintech takes the time to diagnose issues thoroughly, use only quality parts, and ensure every installation or repair meets the highest industry standards. Our customers know that when Twintech says something will be done, it will be done the right way. We treat every home as if it were our own, because that's what honest service means. Why Durham Region trusts Twintech? For years, we've proudly served Whitby, Oshawa, Ajax, Pickering, Bowmanville, and surrounding areas. Our team has earned a reputation for reliability, courtesy, and open communication, the kind of qualities that turn first-time customers into lifelong clients. Here's what makes Twintech stand out: transparent quotes with no hidden costs, honest recommendations focused on your best interests, courteous, respectful technicians, family-owned values rooted in the Durham Region community experience, honest HVAC service that puts you first. When it comes to your home's comfort, you deserve a team that tells it like it is. Whether you need a new furnace, AC installation, or routine maintenance, Twintech Heating Cooling provides the trustworthy service that makes a difference. Call today to experience the Twintech standard of honesty and excellence that Durham Region homeowners have relied on for years. Twintech Heating Cooling: honest work, honest people, honest comfort.